Hello! Okay, today we're going to be taking a trip around Balaston Downs. It's a National Trust area and hopefully it's not too muddy. So let's get through these gates and see how it goes. Okay, this first section isn't part of the Downs, it's just the footpath to get to it, so this is not too bad. Have we got a gate here? Oh, not so much of a gate, there's a little bit. Well, I think there was a gate there at one time. Yeah. Across this chap's field. Obviously a public footpath. I think I remember coming through here a couple of years ago, and I think it was maize crop on these fields, and it just didn't feel right riding through the middle of it. Well, like I say, it's a public footpath through here, or a public right of way. So I suppose the farmer just has to deal with it. So I think we now come to a little bit more challenging part. Ah, no, it's not too bad. Look, it's not too bad at all. And power assist 1 pulling me up. I mean, I remember coming up here on my normal bike many years ago, and there's no way I had to get off and push it up some parts. But yeah, this is making mincemeat of it. Tree roots are a pain though, with the little wheels. And here we are, entering the Downs. Chap running there. I'm not going that way anyway. Cyclists and horse riders, please follow the marked routes. I'll try. I was going to open the gate. Oh, see it, bash me mud guards. I'm going to be going down this way. And this is quite a steep drop, so I'm going to be doing a lot of braking. I've got my my replaced brake calipers with the Zoom HB100s. And you may hear a little bit of squeaking, but that's just, I've got a bit of mud on the pads. They're just so much better. Let's go on a bit of grass. Might be a bit, that's better. Feels a bit safer. Hopefully it won't hurt as much when if I come off. That's should be easy going by now. Well, from now. I'm not going to be going whizzing round. I just like to take my time. Like I say, it's not a mountain bike, is it? It's a mountain bike, yeah, you pedal like, I mean, don't know what, don't you? But I'm just out on a leisurely ride. Yeah, well, we'll go this way and over the bridge, I suppose. Let's have a look up here. There never used to be a way through up here, so it's many years since I've been this way. Right, we're going through the water splash. That went okay. Wash my tyres off a bit anyway, this will, so we'll go back through. Well, that's my tyres cleaned off for now. Bound to be another big puddle down here. Yeah, just as I thought. Best way around it. No real way, is there? Didn't really want to go through it again because I've just cleaned them off, but it's not too bad, not too bad. But it's a nice ride around here, but you get a lot of dog walkers. But hey, that's the way it is. But that was our trip around the Downs Banks National Trust area. You wouldn't want to come up here at weekend. It's heaving with people, but midweek it's not too bad, is it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.